Microsoft just dropped a warning for Windows 11 users, and if you're using the October 2025 update, this one's serious. Warning. It's causing BitLocker recovery screens to appear out of nowhere, and if you don't have your recovery key, you could lose all your data. Let's break down what's happening and how to stay safe. So here's the deal, after installing the latest Windows 11 25H2 or 24H2 update, or even the latest Windows 10 version, some users are being greeted with the blue BitLocker recovery screen on reboot. You turn on your PC, and boom, it's asking for a recovery key before you can even log in. Now, if you're wondering, wait, what's BitLocker? It's a built-in security feature that encrypts your entire drive to protect your data if your device gets stolen or lost. Sounds great, right? Well, it is, until it locks you out of your own system. Microsoft says the October 2025 updates, like KB50668835 for Windows 11 and KB50666791 for Windows 10, can sometimes confuse BitLocker during restart. The result? The PC thinks something's changed in your system security, and it demands your recovery key to continue. This issue seems to affect Intel-based PCs the most, especially those using a feature called Modern Standby, also known as Connected Standby. Modern Standby keeps your system semi-active even when it looks off. It's been around since Windows 8, but apparently, something in the October update didn't properly pause BitLocker before rebooting, triggering that scary recovery screen. And yes, Microsoft hasn't officially explained why yet. Admins across the web are reporting this problem. One said 3 of their Windows 11 PCs got stuck in BitLocker recovery after the update. Another said their HP Pro Mini 400G9 desktops kept asking for recovery keys every single day. Want to know if BitLocker's even active on your PC? Here's how to check. Go to Settings. Then System. Clicked on Storage. Opened Advanced Storage Settings. Selected Disks and Volumes, and finally clicked on Properties. If it says, encrypted under BitLocker, then yep, it's on. Don't panic, as long as your Microsoft account is active, your recovery key is probably backed up automatically. Still, don't wait for disaster. Go to Control Panel System and Security Device Encryption, and hit Back up your recovery key. Save it to a USB drive, take a picture, or store it in your OneDrive. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. If you're swapping hardware or reinstalling Windows, you can temporarily turn BitLocker off. Just remember, this resets your recovery key, so back it up again after re-enabling it. Otherwise, keep BitLocker on, it's your silent guardian against data theft. And that's not all. The same October 2025 update broke a few other things. Like the Windows recovery environment, WinRE, where mouse and keyboard stopped working, the preview pane in File Explorer was disabled, and even Task Manager started cloning itself instead of closing. Seriously, what's going on, Microsoft? So, have you faced any of these weird issues after updating Windows? Drop your experience in the comments, I'd love to hear what's happening on your end. And hey, before you go, back up that BitLocker recovery key. Hit like, subscribe, and I'll keep you updated on more Windows fixes and alerts.